Bearings are essential components of transmissions, axles and differentials. Their most important functions are to support shafts and gears, to reduce frictions and to make rotation smoother. In the transmissions, many different types of bearings are working together. They are subjected to significant wear, and an adequate lubrication is the key to ensure proper use. The type selected for a transmission depends on several factors, including the speed of rotation, the load applied and the operating conditions. Some examples of different types are ball bearings, often used to support gear shafts, roller bearings used to support gears, and last but not least, truss bearings that support transmission shafts. The FE-8 rolling bearing test rig is a specialized equipment used to evaluate the performance of rolling bearing lubricants under simulated real-world conditions. It complies with DIN 518193 standard and features an overhang test head. The rig assesses lubricant suitability by analyzing factors such as rolling bearing elements wear, frictional behavior, and fatigue damage occurrence during testing.